Well, hello there. If you're watching, you're wondering, why am I looking at a video about Hayward union leaks? Well, this is probably the 6th or 7th time I've had to replace this piece, and I just want to mention how crappy these Hayward unions are. This has failed over and over again. I've tried different materials, glues, adhesives and stuff. Nothing ever works. The only solution to fixing this is to replace the union, which is why I have it so it's removable. And this, again, is probably the 6th time I've had to replace it, and yet here we are again, it's leaking. And when you turn on the pump, you'll just see it pouring out the seam there. My only guess, guys, is that the material that they're using for the actual piece right here is just warping over time, heat, vibration, you name it. Even replacing the O-ring doesn't help. So the only solution, folks, is to replace the union. Well, there you go. Good luck.